Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today our lesson about counter operation. There is three types of counter. First one, counter up, CTU. It's come for sure with instant data block. Click OK. Counter up contain three inputs. First one for trigger counter up. Second one for reset, and third one for preset value. It's mean if value, for example 5, if counter reach this value, output will turn from 0 to 1. Let's put normally open I 0.0. I 0.1 and output Q 0.0. Let's load it to PLC. Switch on monitoring. Let's try it by trigger I 0.0. You see it's counter. After reach 5, Q 0.0 turn from 0 to 1. In second type of counter operation, CTD, it's mean counter down operation. Also there is three inputs: counter down, load input is for reset, and preset value, and the Q. But different, its output Q 0.0 will be 1 if counter less than or equal preset value. Let's try it. When we trigger 0.0, when counter equals 0, output Q 0.0 turn to 1. In third type of counter operation, CTUD, it's mean counter up down. This operation combine counter up and counter down in one block. This one for counter up, counter down, reset for counter up, load input for reset counter down, and also output for counter up, output for counter down, current value, and preset value. Let's try it by trigger I 0.0 and for counter up, and I 0.1 for counter down. You see, if counter reach 5, output for counter up turn from 0 to 1. When we trigger I 0.1, after reach 0, counter output for counter down turn from 0 to 1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for all.